What's going on, everyone, and welcome to a new video on the new channel actually. And in today's video I kind of wanted to do this little POV style driving vlog at nighttime, of course, because I wanted to kind of put this video out as like a precursor to all the videos that will be coming out on this channel. I mostly wanted to make this video, like I said, just to kind of let you guys know what you can expect on this channel, and also a little bit of it is also to do with quality, right? So I wanted to try and see what sort of quality the mic is that I bought, and the cameras and everything, but I also wanted to try and bring it in like the worst possible conditions, which is at nighttime. So it's probably not going to look great, but like I said, it's going to be a good test to see what the cameras are like and everything, and what the microphone is like. So that's what's going to happen for today's video. But again, like I said, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what you can expect to see on this channel in the next, at least the very next few months, because I have a bunch of stuff planned. This will be only driving reviews, stuff like that, everything to do with IRL car stuff. If you guys are familiar with some of my content from before, then you know that I have a gaming channel, which again also concentrates a lot on car stuff. But on this channel, it's all going to be IRL stuff. I'm going to be doing a full review on my BMW M4 that I'm driving right now. And of course, I'm going to try and get some different cars on the channel, different perspective on some of these cars. It's going to be kind of interesting to add to YouTube, due to the fact that there's a little bit of a niche, a little bit of a gap that I'm trying to squeeze myself into, where there's not really a lot of Irish car, I guess, reviewers, sort of, I guess, I don't really know how to explain it, because I'm not just going to review cars, but just automotive content creation in Ireland isn't that massive, and I feel like it's a nice little niche to kind of slot myself in there. Again, I'm a person that loves cars. I live in a country which hates cars by the looks of things. The roads are terrible, the tax is high, you just can't own or drive anything interesting. So when you do come across something interesting in Ireland, I feel like I want to be the person that will make a video on that. Now, not only will I try to look at some of, crazier cars, sports cars, hopefully supercars in the future, but I'll also try to look at a bunch of regular cars that you see day to day. Like I said, it's going to be a very interesting time on the channel. We'll see how I get on and how everything will work, but we'll see how exactly I'm going to end up making that happen. Now, this whole channel is not going to be very active all at once. It's not going to be daily content. It might not even be weekly content. If I have content to release, I will, but don't kind of expect me to upload daily like I do on my gaming channel, because it's a lot more difficult to, first of all, go out and film a lot of stuff, and also try to edit and condense everything down. And if I upload everything all at once, like let's say daily, then I may run out of content over the course of, let's say, I don't know, like 2 months or something like that. So I'm not entirely sure, but we'll see. I'm going to try, like I said, my best to include a lot of different types of stuff in this channel. Like I said, one of the very first videos that I will end up making, like proper videos, not this type of thing, but proper videos that I will be making will be on my BMW M4, stage 2 M4 actually. So that's why it's not actually stock. So it's a little bit different, and I think it'll be kind of an interesting look, I guess, if you want to say it like that, on how I really expect the rest of my videos to go, right? So you'll see kind of reviews and stuff like that going on the channel. So again, it'll be very interesting to see what sort of content we can go from there. But again, I will try to focus on not only sports car stuff, supercar stuff, and all that sort of stuff, to also some rarer cars and interesting cars, but also some regular cars as well. So that should be quite fun to have a look at. But again, we'll see how everything will work out. Now, why now? Why am I starting to upload videos now? Well, because it's finally time. I think over the course of January, and let me shut this real quick. We'll leave it like slightly open, but let's shut it real quick, and we'll put it back into full comfort mode as well. Look at that, nice and normal again. Well, why now? Well, I kind of wanted to start at the start of this year, so at the start of January, but of course I wasn't able to, due to the fact that it was incredibly windy. It was storm after storm, the weather was horrific, and I don't really mind the cold. It's just the weather. The wind was terrible, and it was just constantly bad weather out, and I wasn't able to actually start recording. Like I said, ideally I would have wanted to start at the start of the year, maybe the first week, but this is the only point now where I'm actually able to start off and start doing things. So I guess now is a really good time to start it off. Like I said, I'm going to have Cars and Coffee coming up very, very soon. I'm going to try and go to that. If anybody wants to collab, I'll end up collaborating with some people in the future. I will do my best to try and get my hands on interesting cars and stuff like that, and hopefully reach out to people, or if people want to reach out to me, there's an email link down below. You guys can use that for any sort of contact purposes. But yeah, like I said, it's just kind of getting the ball rolling, which is the main and most important thing, and I kind of want to get that happening as soon as possible. So yeah, with this video being the first one on this channel, kind of explaining and going through what I really expect to upload to this channel. There's an E46 M3. I could already tell by just how wide the front was. But yeah, let me know what the quality is like. It might be a little dark, but you know, I'll try and post and edit it a little bit and all that sort of stuff. So maybe we'll see how the outcome is then. But like I said, ideally I kind of want to focus a lot on like reviews. I have different types of cameras to use and all that sort of stuff, so I'll end up using those as well. But for right now, this will just be the very first video on this channel, kind of to start the ball rolling and kind of go through. Let's do one of these. Let's do one of these. It's quite windy. Well, it's a little windy. Maybe don't leave the windows open. I'll leave just the sunroof open for now. The auto light's doing their thing. Yeah. Let's go over here. There is a bridge here. Let's just hope it's not actually flooded at the bottom. Right, well, I think I'm going to leave it there for today's video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Like I said, it's just a short little video kind of explaining on what I plan on doing with this channel. I will try to start the videos up as soon as I possibly can. I need to find locations to film, but other than that, I think I'm all ready to go and actually start putting content out on the channel. So thank you for all the new subscribers. And I know with this video, we'll probably get a few new subscribers, and especially me, you know, shouting out this channel over on my other channels. But other than that, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on this channel in the future. Yeah, goodbye. Have a good one.